Hey, good morning. Good morning. Let me share my screen and let's get busy. So I put a trade on before I went to sleep last night, and I was just trying to do a quick scout, and I got greedy. And lost the trade. This is my original TP up here. It went to a freaking pip and reversed, kicked me out of the trade. But I think I had it originally like right here. I moved the TP further. I was trying to get, yeah, I should have just went for like 25 pips. And that would have hit. Or 1 pip shorter, it would have hit. Wow. All right, so let's erase that. And let's switch my other account because DLL's hit on that one. So we're looking for buys. Like the Bulls, the Bears are in control right now. I wouldn't want to buy unless I was. Excuse me. So I wouldn't feel comfortable buying until price came down here. And that may take a while. Is there a sell in place? Well, we're almost there. We're almost there. So this was an hour later. Yeah, I got stopped out an hour later. And then price ran in my direction. Yeah. Or if I'd have placed my stop loss a little bit further down, I probably would have survived that. That's okay. That's a nice 5-minute break too. All right. So let's see what we can come up with today. Where's my EMA at? Oh, okay, there we go. I'm like, what the hell? So we wait. We wait for this to break. See if we get our signals. Then we can put some risk on the table. So if this is the manipulation, then we are waiting for, if this is the consolidation, We are waiting for manipulation, consolidation, manipulation, continuation. Let me close down this right here. Let me close that down. Can't occupy ourselves with anything else. So I prefer to see these equal lows slip. And I prefer to see price come back down into this doji right here. Yeah, that's my zone right here. This is the zone I want to see. I prefer price to come back down into this zone. I'm a buyer down here. I am a buyer down here. Create highlight video, add stream marker. Yeah, I gotta get better at these streams. I want to start multi-streaming. I've been seeing people on TikTok trading. I don't know how to connect TikTok just yet, but I do want to be streaming on all platforms. Yeah, we're just going through some chop right now. Going through some chop. Oh, I gotta change the setting on that. Ain't nobody watching right now anyway, multi-time frame. Let's change it to 2. I think I got it on 3. Oh no, so this one only does the breaks. That's not it. He gave me a signal after this freaking doji. Then a pivot. Boop. That would have been the one. I think this is the one I got stopped out on. I think I had my stop loss right at almost like right here. So I got stopped out just by a few pips. Yeah, that's okay. If I had it under this one, I would have survived. Under this one, I would have survived. That's okay. That's okay. We're gonna get it back. That's the thing about this skill set. You can get back every loss, bro. Every loss you ever took, you can get back in the money. Just requires patience. Just requires patience. So we wait. We wait. Price is entering our zone. I'm about to drop down to the 3-minute. Just so I can get a better understanding of what's going on. I'm gonna start my position. Well, let me see. Let me take a good look at it. Let me take a quick gander. Oh yeah, I don't think price coming down here. I'm gonna start building my position. So let's add another one. Where's my stop loss at? 160. Now I gotta lower this a little bit. That's a little better. All right, so we wait to be tagged in. Let's wait to be tagged in. Hopefully we can get tagged in and take both of these positions. And we wait. We just wait. Testing, 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 testing. Make sure the audio is good. Okay. Now I'm gonna try not to add another position. Hopefully this isn't the breakout, but let's see. We almost got tagged in here. I was hoping it was going to come back a little bit more into the zone. I'm not quite convinced just yet. Not quite convinced just yet. Although this little push right here did sweep this lows right here. But I want to see price come back down just a little bit more. I want to see sweep. It's like a like what 2-3 pips. Technically is a sweep, but I prefer to see a little bit more manipulation into these lows and then a swing up. And we still got time. It's 10 minutes before 7. There we go. Get down here. Come on down here. Let me check the 15-minute. Let me see where we at. It's giving us a doji right here. So buyers, well, we got 8 minutes until this candle close. We're on a flat Hakanashi hourly. 8 minutes into this hourly candle close. Although price could come back down and touch this EMA as well and bounce from there. But I think the zone we want to trade from is around there. Yeah, we're protected by that 1 hourly swing low. Yeah, I think we'd be good. It might be good. Yeah, that look good. They got a high probability to it. So we wait, man. We waiting to get tagged in. We wait to get tagged in. requires a little bit of patience. A little bit. So 37.50 plus 82.50. Let me see what that is. That's 120. That's okay. Still leaving us $40 of daily loss. There we go. Here's the manipulation I want to see. Tag me in, my boy. WWF style. I want to be Ultimate Warrior. Tag me in. Tag me in. Tag me in. I am Ultimate Warrior. That's a little bit for y'all time right there, man. Back when Bret Hart was giving niggas the back when Bret Hart was giving niggas the sharpshooter. Yes, Lord. So we want to see my other one tapped into. That would be nice. That would be nice. That would be nice. Come on down here. Nah, I should wait. Let me slow down. I'm trying to load the boat up. So I'm not sure if I want to push this up one. I'll push it up one. It's looking like it want to tag down. Okay, we officially tagged in the other one. All right, that's why I should chill right now. I should relax. Let me refresh. Let me refresh for a second. Am I trading the right asset? Yeah, I should be. Giant chicken nigga. Uh, So hopefully don't price don't come all the way down here. We have a little wiggle room now. Let me go to the 3 minute for a second. Let me see. Let me get a little granular. See what's really going on. So I'm gonna add another one under that candle. Like there's still some momentum to go down. So let me look at the line chart. Let me see what the line chart is doing. We haven't committed to a bottom yet. All right, this is where it's finna start getting dangerous. I gotta start paying attention now. Cause we shouldn't pass the zone that I wanted to see hold, or at least getting tapped into. Now, how far we go down, this is where it starts getting dangerous. This is where I need to pay attention. Cause we could very well. This is where we gotta start paying attention. This is where it gets a little dangerous. In fact, I should give myself a little bit more room. I should adjust my I'm gonna increase my DLL to 180. Hopefully I could do it in time before they kick in and get out of the trade. Could we do? I'm gonna increase it just a little bit by $20. Just in case price wanna swing lower. Lost on dollars. Let's fix this to wait, what's going on? Okay, 180. All right, we should be good now. Back to the charts. So if we hit this, we're gonna close one of our positions. I can always get back in. I could always get back in, but we don't want to lose too much. In fact, I might want to push it to 200. Push it to 205 or 215. Push it to 215. All right, so DLL is at 215. We had $91 in draw. We're in a 3-minute. Yeah, I'm not gonna add anymore. I'm gonna be chill because I want to see price start swinging back up to the upside. But you gotta wait. We gotta wait. Gotta be patient. I might add another position when I start seeing some green candles. I'm gonna make this one of my take profit up here. It looks like this might get wicked out. We're gonna get wicked out right here. Tells you. We might actually get wicked out on one of these positions. I hope we don't though. Let me see what the line chart looking like. So hopefully this could be a bottom. Let's wait. Okay. Let's see if buyers starting to step in right here. $40 left until the close. Look like we're starting to create a little bit of, well, somewhat. As long as we don't get tapped out of this. I was okay with that doji, but not this flat. We cut our risk a little bit. We cut our risk. We lost a little money. Now let's see if we can hold this other zone. Let's see if this last zone can hold. Looks like buyers might be stepping in down here. So we still got four contracts in. When we start seeing some bullish momentum, I'm just gonna add 2 more contracts, and I'm good. That'll be like a $700 day, maybe. Actually, probably like a $600 day because I think I'm gonna put the once we start getting some bullish momentum, I'm adding 4 more contracts, straight up. And in fact, I should wait for my 5-minute setup. I mean, my 5-minute confirmation. Yeah, I'm gonna be patient. I'm gonna wait for my 5-minute confirmation, and then I'm adding 4 more contracts. And in fact, I probably should add it. Let me I probably should add it right here. I'm gonna see if this makes sense to add right here when we start swinging up. I'm gonna wait for a few candles to print. Give me a second. Yeah, I look about right. I look about right. Right. Come I'm gonna try to add another one around here. I'm not sure if I'm too eager or if I should have waited a little bit. But I still got 2 more contracts to add. I'm not going to add them right now. Yeah, it's being a dick. Price being ugly right now, not being nice to us. Looks like it wants to sweep these lows. So if we get kicked out this trade, hopefully we still have some deep. If we get kicked out, hopefully we still have some DLL left. In fact, let me put one of these right here. Minimize the risk. We kicked out of the trade. Shit, bro. We became liquidity. 222. What was our LL? We locked out. We locked out. Fuck, bro. I'm gonna let that motherfucker finna swing and go straight back up to the upside now. Shit, I should have waited. I should have waited for my 5-minute confirmation. You know this is the point right here, bro. This is another point that it could come back to. I should have waited for that 5-minute. Too eager. Too fucking eager, bro. Yeah, it's my fault. I didn't even get a 5-minute pivot. Shh. Yeah, that's my fault. Right after we get a 5-minute pivot, we're gonna start pushing to the upside. That's me being fucking impatient, bro. God damn. I fucked off a good trade too. This is definitely a man. I should have increased it to 250. 250 probably would have saved me. Yeah, this is a 5-minute flat, right? Those stop losses before I pushed it upside. Shit, I was too impatient, too heavy, adding too many contracts on. My first set of contracts should have been under this structure right here. Instead of putting one right here, I should have added everything under this one, under this box, and then added it again down here, just in case it wanted to sweep down here. I don't be thinking logically in the moment, but I didn't think prices are gonna come back down here, but it technically can because there's another doji right here. I was anticipating this one, but not this one. But I think price are going to sweep these lows and then skyrocket to the upside. Let's get. Damn, I don't have a account to capital. Let you know that you can still know the direction. Get the trade wrong. You can know that buys are in order, but if you can't survive the pullback, damn, that's okay. I needed this win, and that's probably why. That's probably why. Last night I put a trade on and didn't care if it won or lost. Yeah, I need to bring that same type of energy. I wanted this one too bad and screwed it up. So I kind of want to see this play out because I still believe buys are in order. Let's see. 1 hour push down. Okay, we pushing down under the zone right here. We might even push down to here. It's possible we might even push down to here. Yeah, I think we're gonna turn around pretty soon. Yeah, we definitely about to turn more patient. I should have added one right there on the 15. Yeah, I gotta start using the 15-minute. The five, the lower time frames be fucking me up, bro. I said I wanted to add when price got yellow line, this green line, and then I broke my own rules instantly right after I put that idea out there. Too eager, too excited, man. This was an easy buy position right here. Price about to swing, take out that high for sure, and maybe even take that high out. And I fucked it up by not waiting for my confirmations. I fucking know what it told me when to get in, and it would have showed me a pivot. These are pivots right here. So I just want to watch it. I want to watch this play out just to make sure I know that I'm right. Look like we're sweeping these lows right here. Sweeping, I couldn't survive it. I had too many contracts on. Too much damn size. Too much size. Well, how low you gonna go? Oh goddamn. How low can you go? It can keep going lower. It can keep going lower. All right, so we definitely swept these lows right here. Let's see if price starts swinging back to the upside. Oh my god, yeah, I probably wouldn't have survived that. That's violent. Look at that. Oh my god, bro. Patience. That's why it requires patience. Yeah, we swept all that liquidity. I was the liquidity did that. And something told me I probably should have just put a sale in and let this ride. Because I knew price was coming down, but I didn't know how far it was coming down. This would have been a nice sale. But the overall market told me the buyers were in order. I think price gonna start pushing to the upside now. I'm pretty sure all the liquidity has been swept. Oh wow. Okay. We might be flipping bearish. I don't know. That was a violent push to the downside. A violent push to the downside. Oh, buyers are down here, maybe. I don't know. Go back to the. Yeah, that's just chop. So I guess buyers were sitting down here. This is a push to the upside right here. Push to the upside down here. Come back down. I guess buyers were sitting up under here. I anticipated this, but I didn't think about this one. That's cool. I'm not gonna get the market right every time. That's all right. Yeah. Yeah, I didn't see this one. 663. It's a little bit of consolidation. Held. Another push up. So coming back down. Most likely, buyers are going to push price back up. Uh, yeah, that 3-minute candle was crazy right here. I know that caught a lot of people off guard. I'm not the only one. I can't be the only one that got swept. A lot of liquidity was swept right here. Now they're gonna start pushing to the upside. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, liquidity was swept like a motherfucker. Yeah, I probably wouldn't have survived this one. That candle right there, that took 90% of the market. There was a lot of orders down here. That just swept everything. I know we're about to see some green candles going to the upside now. I know it. Watch. I know it. Wow, that was a violent sweep. We tried to last until that 1 3 minute candle killed us. Well, I think the one before it actually killed us, but yeah, I think that was actually the official bottom. I didn't anticipate where the bottom was going to actually be, and that's the hard part that you can't figure out all the time. You can't figure out whether liquidity will be swept because it looked like it was going to be swept right here, and I guess a few did, but very, very, very little. Price pushed back down, swept all those orders, got to the official bottom right here, and then I think we're going to start seeing maybe. I just want to stay out. I want to stay on to confirm that idea, just to let me know that I wasn't wrong. And if I am, that's cool too. But yeah, that was pretty amazing. Not amazing that we lost money, but amazing that we became liquidity so quickly and so violently. Usually, this is like a Nasdaq move. I think Nasdaq goes a little bit more. I haven't traded Nasdaq before, but Nasdaq gets a little bit more violent. Nasdaq move. I'm pretty sure Nasdaq probably the same thing. I'm gonna get on the Tradify TV stream. I always hop on there after I trade and interact with that community. If we start getting some multiple green candles pushing to the upside, that's what I want to see. That's what I want to see. Yeah, I don't think I would have survived this anyway. My stop loss wouldn't have been way down here. For sure. I wasn't going to put my stop loss way down there. Yeah, I would have lost the trade either way. I would have lost the trade either way. Just put my stop loss under here. And this got swept. So I thought I was safe under here, but clearly not. Clearly not a good trade. Last night, I think I put it on about here. Got wicked out, and then it ran to my TP. If I would have stayed up during London, sleep. I'm gonna get some sleep and come in during New York. I should have stayed up during London. I would have called this buy. I would have called this buy. I would have got all that because I would have patiently waited for this pullback. This is a small pullback. This is predictable. But then this right here, and now buys that come back in. Now for buys have come back in. Look at this, y'all. All the liquidity has been swept. All these orders have been liquidated. The liquidity, all the stop losses have been hit. And now we're going to start seeing this is my target 1. And this is my target 2. Or if you can get back in, I can't even get back in. Account closed. I done lost all my money for the day. I hit my daily loss limit. That's all right. Yeah, so I think this is the actual turnaround point. I'm bullish from here. I'm definitely bullish from here. And I think other people saw this too. That's why this thing was pushed down so violently. All these orders were liquidated, and now all the orders, now that all the orders are gone, or maybe somebody has some, you know what? You know what I think? People got tagged in down here. So a whale got tagged in down here. Somebody put in a big order down here that had to be filled. Some shark, some whale, some big fish. He's like, you know what? I'm gonna put a big order down here. Get me in down here. It's the safest spot. And it is. It's the safest spot to get in for a buy. The safest spot to get in for a buy is down here. This is where the deepest discount is. That's where the deepest discount is. Yeah, I think we're up from here. We are definitely up from here. Yeah, we're going to break above that EMA and we up to the upside. All right, that's all I got for you guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.